Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to repair Error Val 43 in Valorant. Chapter 1. How to fix Valorant Error Val 43 closing processes. To start, right-click on the Windows button and select Task Manager. Here in the console, locate any service or process associated with Riot or Valorant, and when selecting it, click End Task to close its process. Chapter 2. How to fix Valorant Error Val 43 delete local files. To start, in the search box enter %localappdata %, click on File folder. In your browser, open the Riot Games folder, then open Riot Client, then open Data. Once here, delete the Riot Games private settings file. Chapter 3. How to fix Valorant Error Val 43 adjusting service. To use this method, in the search box enter the word Services, click on Services. Now select and double-click on the VGC service. When you open the service, in the Startup Type field assign Automatic. After that, click Start and finally save the changes by clicking Apply and OK. Chapter 4. How to fix Valorant Error Val 43 from the console. To start, enter CMD in the search box, click Run as administrator, and you must click Yes to access the console. In the console, first you're going to reset winsock, run Netsh winsock reset. Press Enter. After this, adjust the IP values, run Netsh and IP reset. Now you're going to release the IP address, execute Ipconfig/release. After that, renew the IP, run Ipconfig/renew. Finally, you are going to free the cache, run Ipconfig/flushdns. For the changes to take effect, you must restart your operating system. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 5. How to fix Valorant Error Val 43 using administrator mode. To start, right-click on the Valorant shortcut and select the Properties option. After that, you are going to go to the Compatibility tab, and here you are going to activate Run this program as an administrator. To save the changes, click Apply and then OK. Now you can open Valorant by double-clicking on the shortcut, and you must click on Yes to access the application. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.